Hey, what's up my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. There's a saying that goes, art imitate life, and life is the reflection of art. Well, today we're going to take a look and see when they both combine what could be the results. Because we know sometimes this becomes a reality for a lot of people. People that we may know in our family. People that we know that are friends. We have heard the stories throughout the years. And we have seen these actions. So we're going to take a look into that situation today, my people, my viewers and subscribers. And at the end of the video, I will definitely leave a comment in the comment section. And you could do the same thing too. So at least we know what you're thinking and you sharing your thoughts. Now the scene from this movie was taken from the movie Dancehall Queen, played by the daughter Tanya, also the mother Marcia, and the so-called Uncle Larry. And after the video, we gonna chop it up. Now let's hop into the video.
Why did you bring me here? I told you I wanted to go home.
We need to talk.
About what?
Us? A little something to make peace.
I can't accept that, Uncle Larry.
What's the matter?
Nothing.
You've been acting so cold lately as if you don't like me anymore.
You don't know why?
Because I tried to kiss you? What's wrong with that?
I didn't expect you to do something like that, Uncle Larry.
I was only trying to show you how I feel about it.
I know how you feel about me.
No, you don't. You remember how I met you and your mother? Marcia used to sell the sweetest Bombay mangoes in the streets. Funny thing, them mangoes, you have to pick them when them just right. You understand?
I hate you. I hate you.
What I do now?
You say you love me and you subject me to that?
Come here, Tasha. Come go buy some.
Sugar again. Never again. I never want to see him again as long as I live. Even if I have to go without food for the rest of my life.
What happened now?
I didn't expect my first time to be with somebody I don't love. Somebody old enough to be my father.
Stop chat foolishness.
You knew this was going to happen to me. I'll never forgive you. I'll make it on my own. I promise you that. You couldn't do it for me, so I'll do it for myself.
Hey, I wasn't doing this to me, you know. I want to make sure you get the education I never get. And food in your belly at night. No, if something is wrong with that, Tanya, you tell me.
You made me into a whore, Mama.
Where you coming from? Is it third time I try to pick you up and you're not there? Answer me! Your friends think I too old for you. What you think? Eh?
Larry.
Shut up, man! When I make an investment, I must get returns, you understand?
Tanya, we promise not to upset Larry.
Me, Mama, I just went to the movie with a boy I like.
The movie finished 3 friggin' hours ago. You expect me to believe you were just chatting?
Might be difficult for you to understand. Besides, it's none of your damn business.
I must be some blasted fool or something. Eh? Why you fooling around in my time? Eh? Why you fooling around with me?
What are you talking about?
I've had enough of this bullshit. 1 more month. After that, I'm not going to spend another blasted dollar in this house. You understand?
But Larry, you can't do that.
Watch me. I'm going to see how to go and manage without Santa Claus.
Look what you cost now.
I am 15 years old. Because I don't want some old man for a lover. You're going to kill me for that?
Tell me something. What this young boy can give you?
Is that all you can think about? There's more to life than money.
That's what them teach at school. Thank God you have a good education. Unfortunately, me never lucky like you. So me can't think like you. But what happened to all of we now, eh? Stop and think about that.
Don't blame me that you didn't get a good education.
Maybe I should really blame you. For my mother and father threw me out of the house when I was 15 and pregnant with you. And that was the end of my education.
You don't give a damn about me, do you?
That's not it, Tanya. It's not it at all.
No, you have just watched the scene from the movie. And you have heard the dialogue from the storyline. But is it safe to say that we all know of some family that's going through the same situation? Yeah, we all know some family that's going through this. We heard the stories of family going through this. But let's look at the conditions of why certain things like this take place, not just in Jamaica, but in a lot of countries around the world. Now you could see where the economic situation comes into play. Mother poor, having a hard time, struggling, to put our kids through school and stuff like that, can hardly find food to put on the table. And then you have the Uncle Larry type them now, who is doing a little well in life and, have certain things, and one thing them always have is money. And that's where the manipulation comes in. Now, do we all know Uncle Larry? Yes, many of us know somebody who's similar like Uncle Larry, without a doubt. And we see these things happen over and over. A lot of these people are in Jamaica, so we're going to speak on Jamaica itself because that's the culture, But it's also sad. But now that the awareness is more prevalent in 2025, it's something that we do definitely got to highlight, because we know a lot of mothers and daughters are going through this. And this even, cause strife between mothers and daughters. Daughters hate mothers because, as you see in the movies, there's a lot of mothers that did this to their daughters. If you're a woman and you're watching this video, leave a comment in the comment section so I can hear your perspective of what we just witnessed. But this is a subject matter that, we need to definitely keep on the forefront of everything that's going on. And let's not lose sight of the fact that there's an Uncle Larry in almost every household and every family. So mothers, keep your daughters safe. Don't exploit your daughters or your daughter if you only have one daughter. Sometimes hardship and the poor conditions that some of these ladies are living in will let them make decisions that sometimes they regret later. But in the moment of that need, sometimes the decisions they made, you could see it for yourself. So with that said, my people, I thank you for watching this video. And as always, thank you for tuning into Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video. And please turn on the notification bell and select all, so every time we upload a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And with that said, people, walk good. I will catch you in the next video.